Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you ABRSM Music Theory Grade 3, and today we're gonna learn about transposition. Transposition, when you hear the word transposition, please divide it in two parts, trans and position. Trans means you change something, you move it up, move it down, or the position is up or down. So when transposition are in music, which means that you need to change the position of the note. You need to look, you need to know what they ask you to do and then transpose the music, for example, up an octave or down an octave. Transposition means moving all the notes in the pieces or music up or down in pitch by the same interval. So the pitch will be the same, but the interval between notes is also the same, but the shape is different because it's down or up an octave. You will do the easiest kind of transposition in grade 3. So in grade 3 we learn the easiest kind, like transposing it up an octave or down an octave. That means transpose is from lower E to upper E, for example. An octave means 8th note, so you move it up 8th note or move it down 8th note. And for grade 4 or grade 5, you will learn how to transpose it up a minor third, down a major second, or up a major sixth, something just like that. So you will remember to do two things: move a melody down one octave from the treble clef to the bass clef. So the bass clef and the treble clef are different. So if they ask you to transpose it down an octave, but they write treble clef in the given, and in your answer they write bass clef, you must move the melody down an octave. Move a melody up one octave from the bass clef to treble clef. As usual, do the same thing when they given bass clef and you need to transpose to treble clef. And there is one trick that you need to remember when you study transposition up or down an octave. You know that an octave, when you move up or down an octave, the notes will still be the same. So for example, from E, then you move up an octave, so E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Also E, but it is higher and it's written differently. So if your answer is not E or not the same note as the given, you are probably wrong. And be careful to look at the clef and copy out the note, the pitch correctly. So let's get on to some exercise. These are some examples of transposing from the treble clef to the bass clef. So this is how we do it. This is all correct. This is how we do to transpose it from the treble clef to the bass clef, which means this one is down an octave, and not like this. This is even lower. No. The second mistake that people make is to write the melody at the same pitch but in the other clef. So this is how we do it. This is how we should do, not like this. So actually they ask us to transpose up an octave. So up an octave, the notes should be right here. Not this is also the same as this one. So there's no transposing right here, so this is correct. Here are some examples of write up this melody one octave lower in the bass clef. So as you can see, you will transpose it down an octave, from G to lower G, from D to lower D, and remember, write in the bass clef, so you must write the shape different. Let's do some example. This one. both right, it should be melody 1 octave lower in the bass clef. So this one should be bass clef. And write all the accidental as usual. So that is E, that is A, that is D, and the type signature is 4/4, and there's a rest. No need to transpose the rest. This is E to lower E. This is upper E, so to lower E, that should be something like this. This one. And the next one is C, so C will look something like this. So this is C. I'm not gonna connect it because it is pretty hard to connect in the computers, so you guys know it. This must have the same pitch. F, we have F, and then B, we have B right here, B, and then also C again, C again, so C, and then D, C and D. I will do it. And then the next one is E again, E. This one is E. Remember to write it in bass clef, not in treble clef. This is lower E, so that should be right here. Pretty long, yeah. And then a bar line, and then lower A, so A. Next one, B, and then C, C, right down, and then D. Oh my god. D will be above, just above C. So this is a crotchet, and then another D, and then E, finally E, and then I think this is C. Again C. Yeah. Oh, let me draw C again for you guys to see it. Look a little bit awful. Yep, that is totally better. Next one is D. D. Yeah. And next one is B. Next one is C. The next one is also D. So this music piece is just the repetition of D, C, B, and E, and also I think A. Not much, but also have A and lower E. Yep. And then a bar line, and then C. And then you need to write the correct pitch. So this is correct. There's a little trick for you guys. You just need to write the note first, and then you can connect them later, like I usually do. So connect them. Then draw that again. We want our line to be straight. So these one, 2, connect it up, and then these one are semi-quaver, and this one is long, and the next one will be 3 of the connects together and form a semi-quaver, and D to D, crop it down, And a trick for when all the semiquaver beam together, you can just draw the line like this and then beam them together. For example, like that, and then another line like that, and then another line like this. So we finish our lesson in transposition up and down an octave. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to keep watching my videos. Thank you very much.